In this video, we're going to select the 5 top critical issues. So basically are those which are marked in red here. And we're going to do something a bit complicated because we have different value of impact. So 9 is the highest. If I'm using the function large to get I will get 4 times the same element, the same number 9. And if I want to identify which element, I don't know which one. There is no function at the end. So I need to do something different than usual. I need to go here at the end of this table and insert a column to the left. Okay. Sorry. Undo. A column to the right. I'm going to evaluate rank. Cell divided by, and then this formula is copied below, as you can see. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to insert some cells here. I see that my big number here is associated with a small rank. So 9 which have smaller rank. Okay, so I'm going to use the small function. Small okay, sorry, not impact but rank in position 1. Then I'm going to copy this function. I'm going to put it below 1 3. Okay, I want this in position 4 and the one in position 5. Okay, so these are the smallest ones, so that means that are the elements that I'm looking for. So this one exactly. Now to get my element, I have to do index, okay, of my issues, in which row or position are in the match this column, the rank, exact match. So I did some error here. Let's say okay, match 02 in the rank area. I'm gonna look for any issue. Okay, if I drag this, HTML injection, the message is wrong, and then I have the other ones. Okay, so basically I use this and then I put 02. Now if I want to go to into my risk area, risk assessment, I'm gonna copy this. Okay, when instead of 03 I will do the following. I'm gonna copy this dashboard here. Okay, and then I'm gonna drag this rank. This is in position 2, this is in position 3, this is in position 4, okay, and this is in position 5. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. Okay, and I have it here. Okay, and here we are. We have our top critical issues here ready for the management. Okay,